I want to talk some basketball this evening. Yeah, man, some NBA basketball. And don't tell me some previous. But I have never seen things change so rapidly and dramatically between the end of one season and the start of a new season. After Kevin Durant led the Golden State Warriors to the title last year, all the talk was that the NBA is in trouble. Warriors will win for another 3 to 4 or 5 years. And this is now a one-team league. And the NBA is too predictable and boring. And the regular season don't make no sense. And blah, blah, blah. And we all agreed. But lo and behold, all hell broke loose in the off-season, with superstars jumping all over the place like Hermit the Frog. When things settled, Russell Westbrook, Paul George and Carmelo Anthony are in OKC. Chris Paul and James Harden are in Houston. Kyrie Irving is off to Boston. While LeBron James, Isaiah Thomas, Derrick Rose, Dwayne Wade and Kevin Love are all bunched up in Cleveland. While the San Antonio Spurs, and even more so, the champion Golden State Warriors, have all their pieces back together and are ready for the world. Right now, the identity of the NBA is 3 or 4 super teams up against some promising young teams at this of the basketball reach. Everybody, even people who have them original team like me, New York Knicks. All me I look at super team for support. And you know me already. I have to call it before the first tip. I am not going to wait till after 5 or 10 games. I'm going to see everybody play. That is no fun. I am picking the Cleveland Cavaliers, that super team with LeBron James, to topple the Golden State Warriors and win the NBA title in 7 games. The Maverick are going for the upset. The king to reign supreme over Durant and Curry. I'm in a worry.